Ghana Yaman John Dramani Mahama de Soso Abofomo se 200 km Wenchi-Bole-Sawla-Wa Kwantempono Warmo enye eno achi nso no hwe ni mo se N12 eno so betimi akyemu eno na ye ne omai Ghana ne aman ahodo bi yedi ehie ewo ho onwo ye we nu nyina se be ye so akono abadie no ebekoboko aban no big push agenda ne bi ene
o hwe eye Wenchi-Wa road Eya kwanya ewura empatem ahodo mu ekuafo a wom nso etete saa ekwan enchen edua eye bayere atea ebro ene enuanu ahodo yi ekwan a wom besiesie eya ade a se wom eye wi a ebebo akuafo pa omampeni John Dramani Mahama ekasa afa kwan hu no wodi tudwa se saa kwan eya ade ebebo pa.
The project covers 195 kilometers and is carefully divided into 7 lots to facilitate concurrent execution and early completion. The project would include complete pavement reconstruction and widening, drainage and culvert upgrades to handle heavy rains, asphaltic concrete surfacing, and so the road is not just going to be a bituminous surfacing road, quota, it's going to be an asphalt road.
Osan edi tudwa enhihye a womode egu akwan mu a womode ye akwan ahodo bi mu Swala road Bole ene nkura ahodo bi a saa kwan no ene Cote d'Ivoire ene Ghana ekwan a eda wom entem no bibia beda na akwan mu na ninina no agina ye big push enhihye aban no edi egu akwan mu no.
When completed, travel time between Wenchi to Wa will be cut by more than 50%. Vehicle operating costs will decline by more than 40%, and road accidents will reduce by approximately 45%, and agricultural output and trade will rise sharply as farm produce will reach the markets on time. Beyond the numbers, this means that a teacher would reach their posting without delay, a farmer will earn fairer prices, and a trader will be able to deliver their agricultural produce day and night.